If you work in garment manufacturing, have definitely had problems in production. Relax, everyone has been there. But there is a way to improve all of this, and I'm gonna show you how right now. I'm Eduardo Cristian, better known as the ambassador of garment manufacturing, and I just recorded some content here on the Start by WGSN platform, which has all the resources to help you boost your results and much more. We talked about the ABC curve and how you can structure it within your garment business. We explained in a very strategic way what the 4-month rule is. And we showed that production, folks, is divided into 3 phases: pre-production, production, and post-production. We laid everything out in detail in this lesson, so anyone who has access will be able to transform their results.